Greetings auto enthusiasts. In this video, we are going to talk about the Lamborghini Huracan, the V10 powered supercar that has been thrilling drivers and fans since 2014. But as you may have heard, the Huracan is nearing the end of its production run, and Lamborghini has already sold out all the remaining allocations for this model. So what's next for the Raging Bull? Well, Lamborghini has confirmed that the Huracan's successor will arrive by the end of 2024, and it will be a plug-in hybrid with a twin-turbo V8 engine. That's right, Lamborghini is ditching the naturally aspirated V10 for a more efficient and powerful hybrid system that will combine a 4.0-liter V8 with electric motors and a battery pack. The exact output and performance figures are still unknown, but some reports suggest that the new car could have up to 333 horsepower and a range of over 400 kilometers on electric power alone. The plug-in hybrid Huracan replacement will also have a new design that will differentiate it from the current model. Lamborghini has not revealed any official images or sketches of the car yet, but we can expect it to have some elements inspired by the Aventador's successor, which will also be a plug-in hybrid with a V12 engine. The new Huracan will likely have a more aggressive and aerodynamic look, with sharper lines, larger air intakes, and LED lights. The Lamborghini Huracan has been one of the most successful and popular models in the brand's history, selling over 20,000 units in 8 years. But as the automotive industry shifts towards electrification and sustainability, Lamborghini is ready to embrace the change and offer a new generation of hybrid supercars that will still deliver the excitement and emotion that the marque is known for. We can't wait to see what Lamborghini has in store for us in 2024. Stay tuned for more updates on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more auto news and reviews. Thanks for watching.